Container 39, no US visa. We have Master 9,400, 10,000, Chief Officer 7,700, 8,200, Second Officers 4,300. Well, same to Chief Engineer, Second Engineer, and Third Engineer. Then Third Officer 3,700, and Fourth Engineer, yeah, same thing. AB 1,800, and oiler OS 1,350, wiper same as messman, and then bosun cook fitter 2K, non-US visa. Why? Because we do have Cubans and Venezuelans available today. But please think about the flag. Forget about these European flags that do not allow all the Latin American countries like Venezuela, like Panama. Please think about this option because many Spanish ship owners are. This is with English. I will make another video 9 container 40 with no US visa and Spanish language alone. Thank you very much indeed. Look forward having today a way to adapt to these new circumstances, as there is going to be a huge shortage in Asia because the flight costs, because northern hemisphere it has like a huge supply of Latinos. Today we're talking about 5,000 officers pulled between Cuba and Venezuela mixed with the other Latin countries. Think about the Panama, Marshall, Liberia, Bermuda, all these flags, and please contact us because this summer is going to be the opportunity to invest local crane in America. Is for Americans and also a lot of trade with Europe. But if you want to adapt today to these supply trends, contact us. Thank you. Bye.